Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A98 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case, it will be Google Chrome, and then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. A quick disclaimer, I know I'm doing it on the Google Chrome, but no worries. Most of the browsers which are commonly used will have kind of the same path of removing the data, so I'm pretty sure that you will figure out how to do it. So the three dots icon, tap on the history, and here we've got the list of previously visited websites, and if you want to, you can remove them manually. However, it's not really the most efficient way to remove everything. So let's tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to, you can change the time range from all time to last hour, last 7 days, whatever. If you're ready, tap on clear data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.